Hello little one, welcome to the ocean. The ocean is a magical place, full of wonderful animals. Today we are going to meet 10 amazing ocean animals. We will learn their names, their colours and the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's dive into the ocean. Look down on the ocean floor. Who is walking along down there? It's a lobster. The lobster has big strong claws and long feelers on its head. The lobster goes click, click, click. Can you say click? Click, brilliant. What colour is the lobster? The lobster is red. Bright red with big snappy claws. Red, red lobster, oh what? Listen, can you hear that? It's a dolphin. Dolphins are very clever animals. They love to jump and play. The dolphin says click, click, squeak. Can you say click, click, squeak? Click, click, squeak, amazing. What colour is the dolphin? The dolphin is grey. Grey, smooth and shiny. Grey, grey, dolphin. Shh, look at those fins. It's a shark. Don't worry, this shark is friendly and loves to swim. The shark says, chomp, chomp, chomp. Can you say chomp? Chomp, fantastic. What colour is the shark? The shark is grey and white. Grey and white with a big smile. Grey and white, shark. How many arms can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an octopus. The octopus has 8 long wiggly arms. Let's count them again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you hold up 8 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. The octopus is very clever. It can change colour to hide from predators. What colour is our octopus today? Our octopus is purple. Purple with 8 wiggly arms. Purple, purple, octopus. Look down on the sandy floor and it's a crab. The crab walks sideways. Isn't that funny? The crab goes snap, snap, snap. Can you say snap? Snap, superb. What colour is the crab? The crab is red. Red with big snappy claws, yeah. Red, a red crab. Oh, how pretty. Look at that shape. It's a starfish. The starfish has 5 arms, just like a star. The starfish is very quiet. It doesn't make a sound. But can you make a star shape with your hands? Stretch your hand out wide. Brilliant. What colour is the starfish? The starfish is orange. Orange, just like a beautiful star. Orange, orange, starfish. Look up at the surface of the water. It's a whale. The whale is the biggest animal in the whole ocean. The whale says, whoa, whoa, whoa. Can you say whoa? Whoa, spectacular. What colour is the whale? The whale is blue. Blue, just like the deep ocean. Blue, blue, whale in a... Look very carefully. This one is tiny. It's a seahorse. The seahorse is one of the slowest swimmers in the ocean. The seahorse is very quiet and gentle. What colour is the seahorse? The seahorse is yellow. Yellow, small and beautiful. Yellow, yellow, seahorse. Look who is gliding slowly through the water. It's a turtle. The turtle carries its home on its back, its shell. The turtle goes splash, splash, splash. Can you say splash? Splash, excellent. What colour is the turtle? The turtle is green. Green with a beautiful patterned shell. Green, green turtle. Ooh, look at those wobbly tentacles. It's a jellyfish. The jellyfish floats and wobbles through the water all day. The jellyfish is very quiet. It just floats along. What colour is the jellyfish? The jellyfish is pink. Pink and wobbly and beautiful. Pink, pink, jellyfish. Yep. The lobster goes click, bright red on the floor. Click, click, click. What are those claws for? The dolphin says, click, squeak, grey and smooth and smart. Click, click, squeak, it wins every heart. The shark goes chomp, grey and white and strong. Chomp, 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 swimming all day long. The octopus has 8 arms, purple through and through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you count 2? The crab goes snap, red with claws so wide. Snap, 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 walking side to side. The starfish makes no sound, orange like a star. Stretch your arms out wide, see how pretty you are. The whale goes, whoa, blue and oh so vast. Whoa, 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 swimming unsurpassed. The seahorse floats along, yellow, small and bright, drifting through the ocean, what a gentle sight. The turtle goes splash, green shell on its back, splash, splash, splash on the ocean track. The jellyfish wobbles, pink and soft and slow, floating through the water, putting on a show. What a wonderful dive in the ocean today. Let's remember all our amazing ocean friends. The lobster goes, click. The dolphin said, squeak, click, squeak. The shark said, chomp. The octopus goes, splosh. The crab goes, snap. The starfish made no sound, but you made a star. The whale said, woo. The seahorse floated quietly by. The turtle goes, splash. And the jellyfish wobbled along. You are so clever. See you next time in the ocean. Bye-bye.